What is it, everyone? So there's this crazy bird situation in my neighborhood. Yeah, and there's crows like migrating or something every night at sunset. If you know anything about it, leave it in the comments below. Okay, coming up on HomeTube, we're gonna show you winter in Palm Springs.
Desert. Snow.
Palm Springs is a great place during the winter. Okay, then we're gonna go to Tacloban, Philippines, 2 years after the super typhoon Haiyan, also known as Yolanda, and show you the recovery there.
Everything by this side was destroyed. Look at
Yeah,
that.
look at the water damage all the way up to the beyond the roof. Yeah, this boat washed ashore during the typhoon back in November 2013.
Our things were all floating and the rain was really so hard. And you know, this building was shaking. Well, the water was up and the rain was so hard. The building was shaking. I thought we would be destroyed. This building would be destroyed.
Yeah, it's just incredible that this place is still around. There's a restaurant that I went to before the storm, and it's gone.
Okay, a lot's been going on lately. We did a trip up to the Bay Area right when El Niño is hitting.
Yeah, just grabbing some coffee, enjoying some food.
It is El Niño full force out here. We're getting a lot of rain when California needs it. And we squeezed in enough time for a photo mission at the beach. Then we met with the whole crew from the Philippines. Yeah, I'm back from the Philippines now. I'm starting an adventure series on our trip and should post just about every day there. The first episode is up, so if you haven't seen it, check it out. I hope to have a new one edited every few weeks. That's it for now. Peace.
Click subscribe to stay updated on the latest videos.